Hey guys, Miss Brown Butterfly 1. I am here to do an unboxing of my new Uggs. I saw them on, I'm a part of the Uggs.com, and where you can go and get your uh, sale items. So they did have Uggs on sale, and I think I paid $119 for these, but I'm going to unbox with you guys. It's actually, what time is it? It's 11:30. I am actually coming back from the Mary J. Blige concert, but I wanted to do this video because my face was already made up and I'm still dressed. So, and I am still hyped from the concert. The concert was bomb.com. Nas and Mary J. Blige is on their 25th anniversary tour. It was amazing, but that's not what we're here for. I just want to come in because my face was already made up. So I'm going to unbox my new Uggs. And I haven't opened them. They came yesterday. So I'm going to just open these so you guys can see. This is not a sponsored video. I just want to share with you guys while they're still on sale. And you know, Uggs cost you the size, I'm sorry, the short boots from Uggs, you know, they cost you anywhere between $160 and $180. So, and I know I needed another pair because the ones that I have is a black pair, and they are, here they are. I worked in them all winter long last year, and I'm going to work in them this winter too. But I have beat those shoes up. And this is the box that they're in. I guess the receipt is in this box. Or am I supposed to print? I'm not sure. But anyway, let's just open them. So, these are what, oh, they're so light. I don't know if I should have got these. But these are what you call the, I don't know if I should have got these. This is a size 6. And these are the short metallic snake print. And it's with gold snake print. So this color here is it doesn't specify, but it says gold with snake print. So these are the ones I got. And they are so pretty. I hope you guys can see it. Hope this light. Let me turn this light down so you guys can see. See that? I think that might make it too yellow. Yeah. See that? And I bought these, and they were on sale on Uggs.com for $119. I wanted to get those, what they call cognac, I guess. The brown ones. But everybody has those in the black ones. So I thought I'd do something different. So I got these right here. And these are a size 6. And they're so pretty. I cannot wait to wear them for the winter. They got the snake skin here. It's gold. Snake print. Not skin, but print. And then they have the UGG emblem there. And they're just like a taupey looking color that you can wear with anything. So yeah, I will not be wearing these to work because I'm a hairstylist, and these will be messed up in 10 minutes when I walk in the door. So yeah, guys, I wanted to come and unbox that with you. I am going to come back and share with you all. Well, let me just get it while I'm on. Hang on. Let me see if I can just grab it. I don't want my camera to fall over. Okay, let me see. I might as well just include this stuff here. So, in the summer, that was my winter shoe. And I'm sure I'm not going to order any more boots or nothing like that because I got to, oh no. But this is a dress that I ordered from Old Navy. And it was on sale for $18. And it's just a long, strapless, not a strapless, a spaghetti strap maxi dress from Old Navy. And then two more things, and then I'm going to get out of here because I want to go to bed. So, from my favorite store, where I go browsing and perusing for a sale item, it is Bargain Hunt. I got these shoes here for $4, and they were 20%, 25% off, so it's like $4.80. I got this pair. It's a burgundy pair. And then I have a taupey pair in the summer. And it's just got the little block heel. This is a taupe pair. Looks gray. But yeah, I got those two. And then I got these shirts that I wear the black ones to work, but it's Fashion Metro. They have these little shirts that I really, really, really love, and they're like $5.99. But I have about 10 or 15 black ones because I wear the leggings and the black shirts to work. And so I went back. I've been looking for the colors, so they did come back in stock with some different colors. So I got a gold one, and these are like the tunic shirts. Tunic shirts. So I got a gold one. I got a burgundy one. And they cover up your bun, so you don't have to worry about that. And then I got the green one. And then I have another white one. I have a white, red, and black. No, I have a cream color, red, and I have about 10 or 15 blacks because I work in those. So yeah, I got these here from It's Fashion Metro, and they were $5.99. And I love, they wash well, they wear well. I even throw the ones that I work in the dryer because, you know, I just work in them, really. Anyway, guys, I think that's it. I am going to get out of here because I am going to go to bed. I got to get this face off of me. But this is my outfit that I wore tonight, and it is from Fashion Nova. I bought this for vacation a few months ago, but it's a long jumper. So yeah, guys, I enjoyed myself tonight at the Mary J. Blige concert with my husband, and I wanted to film this video for you guys. So thank you guys for watching. I am off to bed, and I do have eyelash extensions on. I did myself. And let me know if you guys like this wig. I'll give you information on it. It is from a wig company, and it's been all over YouTube. So yeah, this has been my summer do here. Love, love, love this wig. Okay, guys, I'll talk to you guys soon. I'll be coming back later on this week with a Dollar Tree haul that I've been holding on. I don't know why I'm holding on, but I need to haul it so I can put the stuff up. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like the video, and subscribe. Thank you guys again. Miss Brown Butterfly 1. Bye-bye.